Here in this video, we'll see a problem on projection of planes. For that, here is the question. A hexagonal lamina of side 30 mm is resting in HP on one of its corner. The diagonal through that corner makes an angle of 45 degree with HP. Draw the projections of the plane. This is the question given to us. Now first, I'll draw the XY line and explain the initial condition. XY line VP HP. Now the condition is given: hexagonal lamina of side 30 mm is resting in HP on one of its corner. See, if it is resting either on one of the corner or side, it means the entire plane will be in HP. So it is resting on the corner and the side is 30 mm. Now I'll draw that hexagonal lamina in HP that is visible in the top view. The side is 30 mm. So from this center, I'll measure the radius 30. Through that, I'm drawing a light circle of 30 mm. And now it is resting on one of its corner. That corner will be on left side, because in case of planes, we have to take the left hand side as the reference. So this will be the corner. I'll say it is point A. Now keeping the same 30 mm, I want this corner here. So from here I'm going to cut this circle at two locations. Joining all the points in order. So this is the square plane as looking from the top. Then if in the front, it will be appearing as a line. These are the points: A dash, B dash, F dash, next C dash, E dash, and at last D dash. Now this plane appears as a line in the front view. After I have drawn it light, the next thing would be I'll be making it dark. So this hexagon is visible from the top. From the front, it will appear as a line. The next condition is the diagonal through that corner makes an angle of 45 degree with HP. Through that corner means the corner on which it is resting. That corner is A and the diagonal is AD. So AD in the front view, it becomes A dash D dash. Now this A dash D dash is inclined at 45 degree. With HP, it will be seen in VP. So the next condition will be to make this line inclined at 45 degree. For that, I am marking a point here, measuring 45 degree. This point is A dash. Then I'll measure the length of this plane from A dash to D dash. That is nothing but this diagonal which is passing through the corner A as given in the question. From A dash, I'll draw an arc and the point is D dash. Next, from A dash, I'll measure up to C dash E dash, cutting this line. C dash E dash, then B dash F dash. So this is the inclined plane. Next, once this plane has become inclined, the shape of the hexagon won't remain same, it will change. That change we have to show here. So projecting point A dash downwards to draw the top view of this hexagon. A dash and A where they intersect, that will give me point A. For B and F, they are onto the same location. projecting point B from here. F, point F has been projected. C and E. B and C are onto the same level. Point C. E dash and E are on the same level. D dash and here point D, where they intersect, that will give me point D. Joining all points in order. Next, this is the hexagonal plane as we see it from the top. Then I'll make it dark. Next, I'll draw this line dark in the front view. So this is the hexagonal plane as we see it from the front. It is an inclined line. Looking from the top, here the shape has changed. So giving the dimensions here. 30 mm side. Then here I can say that after this, this is the true shape of the hexagonal plane, and here is the apparent shape. And with this we complete the problem.